Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you something very interesting about how to have a good tea and also save the environment. First thing is that our Indian habit of cooking the tea with milk, sugar and so many other ingredients can be just done away with if you follow these instructions. The approach is very simple. We have our regular tea, a teaspoon of a cup or so of hot water, the lid closed, and give it some time to. Now this is the difference. Instead of boiling the tea, we are now steeping the tea. So I would say 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk or 1 cup are adequate. And what do we have here? A nice rich cup of Indian tea. We think it should be delicious, but let's try it to know for sure. Just pour the tea through a strainer into a cup. This looks so inviting, so good to me. Let's try this without sugar. A nice cup of tea needs no sugar. That is my strong recommendation. Cheers.